you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys haven't already, which I am judging you if you guys haven't, but it's no problem because you guys can redeem yourself right now. You guys can hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner. No, right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And today I wanted to do something very Valentine's Day vibe, something on a date night, something special if you just want to wow your significant other, your boo, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever you like to do. But I just wanted to do something just very sexy and sultry and something that would catch his or her eyes. So yeah, other than that, I'm going to be talking about, you know, what I'm doing for Valentine's Day, what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day. Let's just chit chat, get ready with me. Let's just talk, vibe out. So sit back, relax, grab a drink and some snacks, and let's get ready if you guys want to know how to create this Valentine's Day makeup look right here. So let's get straight to the tutorial, you guys. So first things first is getting this hair out of my face because it's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take our foundation, and I'm literally just taking the same foundation I've been wearing literally every day, like non-stop. It's been one of my favorites lately, and it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 300. And you guys are more, was this the right side? And you guys are more than welcome to use a brush or a beauty blender to blend in your foundation, but I like to just go in with my fingers because I just feel like the warmth of my fingertips really just melts my foundation into my skin. And I just really love this foundation because it really just blends flawlessly into the skin. And let's not talk about foundations, especially when Jackie Aina just roasted Tarte Cosmetics for their lack of inclusive colors for women of color or anyone of color, because that's just so I really am still so baffled at the fact that they only had 3 colors for people of color. Like, that's insane to me. Okay, so now that we're done with our foundation, we're going to take our concealer, and we're going to take the Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer in the shade, what is this, light NCO2. And I know it's a really light shade, but once you guys blend it all into your skin, it's gonna look really good. And we're just gonna place that on the high points of our face, which is our T-zone, something that we want to stand out and brighten up just a little bit. And we're just gonna put that there, and I'm gonna take the Morphe M439 foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend that right into our skin. I don't know, I've been liking this concealer lately. It's really good. Okay, next we're going to take the Laura Mercier Universal Setting Powder and a MAC brush, and we're just going to place that right where we put our concealer. Actually, just set everything, our foundation and concealer. Nothing too crazy, nothing too harsh. You just want to just set everything. I know Patrick Star pounds powder on, but you know, that's just not the look that I want, at least for today, because you know I can do extra glam and shit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now that we have that set in place, we're going to move on to our contour. And I really don't like to contour too harshly because I know this makeup look with our eyes is going to be quite dramatic. I'm just going to bronze up my face just to give myself a little bit more color, and just to, you know, make it look like I've been sun-kissed just a little bit. And I'm going to take a Real Technique blush brush, and I'm going to take the Morphe 9BZ bronzing palette, which has been literally my favorite, as you can tell. And I'm just going to take these 2 colors right here and then just chisel our cheekbones just to give us a little bronzing effect, you know what I'm saying? And then on the sides of our forehead, just to shrink that down. But if you guys don't have a big forehead like me, you guys can skip this step. And since I'm getting really huge, I'm just going to cover up my double chin, making it just a 1 chin, you know what I'm saying? And making sure you guys blend that down so it can be nice and blended. So what's going on, you guys? What is everyone doing for Valentine's Day? Do you guys have a boo? Do you guys do not have a boo? Do you guys spend it with friends? I mean, if you guys are doing something, what are you guys gonna do? Let me know in the comment section below. Or what would you guys like to do? Let me know what's a good idea to do for Valentine's Day. As for me, I don't know what's gonna go on. Like, I mean, you just never seem to know what the universe might bring you, you know? Like, I don't know, somebody just might be, you know, knocking on my door with a Sephora gift card and a whole bunch of makeup. No, I'm just playing. I just really want to know what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day. What is the best Valentine's Day that you guys ever had? I really want to know. Like, what is mine? Mine's probably was, I never really done anything like really cute like that. I know I've been to dinner and I've gotten flowers and candies and teddy bears, but nothing like crazy that I would be like, oh my god, that was so romantical. I want that to happen one day. I really do. Like, I really want something really like so romantic. I want to be swept off my feet. I want my heart to be pounding. I want literally everything movie style Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. That's just me, you know, wishing on high hopes and a dream. But heck, you never know. I'm just saying, like I said, you never know what might happen and the universe might bring to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting that out there. So whoever that is watching right now will know. Okay? I'm just saying. Just saying. Okay, so next we're going to move on to our highlight, and we're going to take Jeffree Star's King Tut. Obviously, this is really used as well, and I even broke the pan. But we're just going to take a Morphe M501 brush and just put just a little bit on the top of our cheekbones, just to give that nice glow. A little bit goes a long way, and on our brow bone, and a little bit on our forehead, our Cupid's bow, and down the bridge of our nose as well. Hell, we might as well just put the inner corner highlight in there as well, you know. So now that we are done with, no, actually we're not done with our face. We're going to take our blush, and the blush we're going to use is another one of my favorites I like to use, and this is called Peachy Keen, and a Real Technique blush brush, and we're just going to put that right on the apples of our cheeks, blending in that bronzer and that highlight together so it's no harsh lines. Okay, so now that we are done with our blush, we are going to move on to the eyebrows, and I'm going to do them off of camera, and I will be right back, you guys. Bam! So we're done with our brows, you guys. Now we're going to move on to our eyeshadows, and we're going to take the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and literally I've just been in love with this palette as well, and this has been quite loved since I got this. A Morphe MB23 Fluffy blending brush, this color right here in the palette, which is Eden, and we're going to place that right into our crease area. And I really like to start this right on the outer corner of the eye and just blend that right in. Let's get back to what's going on for Valentine's Day. So I really do want to say something to all the girls and even some guys out there as well, because I think it's quite important. If you guys are going on a date for Valentine's Day and you guys are starting to feel each other and you guys haven't quite went fourth and home run, you know what I'm saying, fourth base or home run yet, just because he bought some food for you, or he bought you a little gift or some jewelry or some candies or whatever you like, whatever he's doing to flatter you or whatever she's doing to flatter you, that doesn't mean, or it equates to you getting in the bed with him at the end of the night. You know what I'm saying? Or her, you know? So I really do want you guys to know that, because I just don't want anyone to feel pressured or anyone feel like, you know, am I supposed to go to bed with them because they're doing all this for me? But no, the answer is no, you don't have to, because I've been in a predicament where I felt bad if I didn't go and sleep with someone at the end of the night, because they would end up getting mad. But I had to check myself and say, wait a minute, it's really not that serious, and I don't need to be going to bed with you, and I don't need to go to your house, or you don't need to come into my house, and we don't need to make out and really have sexual intercourse because you bought me a freaking meal. Get out of here. Like, who does that? But if you feel like you are pressured and you're not ready to do that, by all means, please don't do it. I mean, I feel like it's a very, you know, important thing for me to say, especially with this whole Me Too movement going along. Okay, so next we're going to take another crease color, and we're going to take the Morphe R35 Fluffy blending brush, and this color right here, which is Amber, and we're just going to put that right in our crease just to deepen that. And like I said, I'm just going to start from my outer corner of my eye, which is like right here, and bring that right into that crease just to deepen this up. But anyways, just changing up the story a little bit. How cool would it be, well, just for me, because I love Disneyland, how cool would it be just to spend Valentine's Day in Disneyland? And that would be like a romantic, magical day and night. You know what I'm saying? Something that I would be like, oh my God, how cute. And like taking pictures in front of the castle and then watching the fireworks at night. And then like, you know, leaning on his shoulder, just like, oh, it would be so cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I'm just a goofball and I'm dorky, but I love stuff like that. That would be a good Valentine's Day. I think I would definitely enjoy that, like especially like just spending it with someone that I really, really like, and you know, going to Disneyland, someplace that I really, really love. So, you know, you can't get no better than that. Okay, so now taking the same brush and the same color, which is amber, and we're just going to place that right onto our bottom lower lash line as well. We're really smoking that out. And I also like to take this up and connect it to that crease color. It gives it that like slanted cat eye angled look, which I am obsessed with and I love. And just to deepen this look just a little tiny bit, we're going to take the Morphe MB18 pencil brush and the color Oud, which is this like dark reddish brown color right here in the palette, and really just put that in our lower outer corner waterline, lash line I mean, and on the outer corner of our lid. So I'm going to take, what is this? It's this color called Cosmo, and I'm just going to place that right onto the lid. And I just like to take my powder brush and I like to brush that right on off. We're going to move on to our eyeliner, and I'm going to do that off of camera, as well as put on some mascara and some lashes. And the lashes I'm going to use are from Slay Lashes in the style Bad and Bougie. And you guys can use code Valerie for a little bit of a discount if you guys want to save some money off your purchase. So yeah, I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so now that we're done with our lashes, liner, and mascara, we're going to move on to our lips, and I'm going to take CoverGirl's lip liner in the shade Smoky Intense. And I really wanted to use this color because I really want the eyes just to speak for itself, and I just think it's really just a beautiful color as well. And voila! This is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys will love this look as much as I do, and you literally can't go wrong with this look. This is the very ultra glam, sexy, sultry, cranberry, just something that you literally going to capture everyone's attention wherever you go, including your significant other, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or whatever you got going on that day, where you're sitting across the table from that person and you're just giving him these smizey eyes and he's looking at you like he just wants to ravish you and just take you in his arms or her arms and just like, you know, make his way with you. If you want that, you know what I'm saying? No, but other than that, you guys, let me know for real if you guys do like this look, and give this video a thumbs up because it would help my channel out so much. And obviously leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think. If you guys haven't already, you guys definitely should. Like I said, it's no pressure whatsoever by hitting the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day, no matter if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, single, not single, or you're dating like the whole block. It doesn't matter, as long as you have fun, you know your worth. And you guys can follow me on my social medias, which is my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and that is all Valerie with the Y_vision. And my Facebook is Valerie Medina. And you guys remember, it is your vision, it is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys. Mwah.